What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make love on Figma. So let's get to it. First thing I want to do is to click on the frame tool. I select desktop view. So let me select this one. Frame. Right now, I do is to create a squad like this. So I'm holding the Shift key to make sure I'm in a perfect square. The next thing I want to do, this can be done in two ways. Is that create another you recycle in, or you make this into you hold your alt and duplicate this. Then you click here to increase border radius till it forms. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this. I hold down my alt key and do this, and can give different colors so that you can do these things. Okay, and then I give this one this same as this. Using the color picker. Do is to drag this circle back in here. Then in two ways. The first thing I want to do is to put it. You see, I put it at the halfway here and halfway here. The second one be here, like so. So I want to make sure I get accurate measurements. Okay, cool. You see, I'm placing one at this edge, the other one at this edge. Next thing I want to do is to select everything together, and I can over here to rotate this like this, right? Next thing I want to do is to click on this place and select the union and click on union selection. And boom, we just made love. Thank you.